Hey guys, I am Irfan and today in this video I am going to show you how to flash Radical Experience ROM and first view of the ROM. So let's get started. First of all, we have to wipe, advanced wipe 1, 2, 3 and 4 things. Now just swipe to wipe. So it has done. Now hit on install and you need to download Radical Experience ROM. The download link is given in the description box below and you have to just swipe to confirm the flash and wait for some seconds. So installation has completed and let me do this quick start guide. So the installation has been completed and as you can see the interface of the ROM look like this. Now this is the ROM. Let's talk about its features. So this ROM comes with Magic Manager, which is root manager, and let's go into the settings. And if we see about phone and the ROM info, so it says here Radical Experience J75 and ROM version is 1 and ROM date is November 2017. So it is not so old ROM but not so bad ROM too. Now Android version is 7.0 and Experience version, Samsung Experience version is 8.5, which is pretty good. SE for Android status is permissive and security patch level is August 1, 2017. So this is the good ROM which I will recommend you. And if you go in device maintenance and see the memory we got, you can see I haven't installed any apps yet and we haven't done anything in this phone. And let's see how much free RAM we got this with this ROM. So the total RAM we got is 471 MB and it's not too bad. It's a good performance though, and battery life also it's very comfortable, I think. Okay, now let's talk about some features. So on the first, number one, the feature is let's take a screenshot. So yes, it has the feature called Smart Capture and yes, it has feature multi windows. So it has multi windows also feature. And let's see if the feature of auto call recording in the setting is working, is there or not. So yeah, recording calls are also there. Okay, call recording is also there. Here is memo, but we need Samsung Notes for the best experience. So we are gonna install install the Samsung Notes instead of memo. I'm not going to use the memo. And let's talk about another feature. And in the messages we got the feature mark all as read, so it is also a comfortable feature, so we can use it. And here we got multi windows feature, multi user features too. And over here we got voice over LTE feature also. And the other features, let's talk about some other features in the settings. We're going in advanced features. Here is floating messages feature also, one-handed mode, quick camera launch, smart capture, smart alert, easy mute, and dual messenger is also there, and panic mode is also. So it is coming with new features. It's like Nougat. It's totally like Nougat ROM, and I'm loving it. So data usage, the feature is not given. I was using Revolution OS 5.2.1, and in that ROM there was a feature called restricted mode. In that feature we need to allow a specific app for allowing the data or Wi-Fi and disallowing too. So in this ROM it is not given. And in display, status bar, the network speed, it is given. It is also a good feature. If you want it, it's also a good feature. I don't want it still. Timeout on 2 minutes, screensaver is on, and okay, now apps. Let me select default apps, default app selection, ask before setting default apps. This will allow me to choose whether I want that app to set to default or not. General management, date and time, don't use 24-hour, automatic date and time ticked, and it is just as good as okay. So this is pretty smoothie ROM, as I can say to it, and it comes with very smoothness. Yes, I just saw that, and it's pretty fast ROM. And the lock screen is like this. Here you can see music player. Okay, here is the camera. So storage location is SD card. Okay, swipe to switch, zoom in or out, turn it on. And here is the best feature is this, and here we can swipe for the front camera, and again swipe for the rear camera, and swipe left for some features, and here for some effects. Okay, okay. Now you can see here home screen settings, which allows you to hide apps to apps button. You can show app button or just hide apps button. So I prefer hiding the app button because it looks like nougat, and home screen grid and all that things you can do here, and that's it. In accessibility, here you can get too much features. Yep. And this was the and this is a Radical Experience ROM, which is pretty good, awesome ROM. I would prefer to download and install this. I give it a thumbs up, and let's check it out whether the ROM is stable with the smart switch, Samsung smart switch on PC. We will connect to PC and see whether it connects the smart switch or not. So be patient. So device name is Samsung Galaxy J715. Okay. So yes, it has access to the smart switch PC. It's Galaxy J715 and connected to the device. So yes, it supports the smart switch PC and we can backup or restore through it. So guys, I will recommend this ROM. It's an awesome ROM now, and hope this video will help you guys. If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up. And hope you like this video. If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and check description for more information for downloading the ROM. And thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.